My name's Dale, and I farm along with my wife and my sons Josh and Chris. The farm group that we're working with is the Between the Lakes Demo Farm Group. It's a family farm. We run about 600 acres, corn, soybeans, and winter wheat, and just been starting with cover crops the last 5 years or so. When I was a kid, my dad was doing conventional tillage and plowing, and then later on switched to minimum till, and last corn planter that he bought, he had no-till coulters on it already. My dad retired and I took over the farm in 1983. I was young. I remember a Buffalo planter salesman talking with my dad and looking at the idea of no-till, and that kind of planted the idea for switching to no-till. And also my dad talking about soil health, and when you have worms in the soil, that you have healthy soil. In the future, I'd like to do some prairie and pollinator strips. I've been doing no-till since I took over the farm. I first started with doing some corn after soybeans, and then started no-tilling winter wheat, and then started no-tilling soybeans into the corn ground, and then been continuous no-till for 30 plus years now. I started planting cover crops. I experimented with planting berseem clover into winter wheat about 20 to 25 years ago, but didn't have success with that, and then started up again about 5 or 6 years ago with doing cover crops. Future goals for the farm would be to leave the land in better condition than it is currently, and to transfer the farm on to the next generation and keep it in the